I've been testing a tool called our XV2, and instead of guessing, it helps identify high probability trade setups based on market structure and price action. This isn't about getting rich overnight, and it's definitely not a magic indicator. Trading always involves risk, but if you're serious about improving your analysis and becoming more consistent, watch this setup all the way through before you make your next trade. Educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always manage your risk.